Yo, is this because of the backlash? Is this because was the first thing they posted about after telling the entire world that they would no longer create physical media for the PlayStation after 2028, January that is. Is it because of the backlash that they got on that initial post? Are they saying to themselves, ain't nobody gonna buy it, we're gonna choke on them. We're going to choke on them. Let's take a look at this. This is interesting. Because people are talking about, they're like, why is this happening? This is rare. If you don't hear about stuff like this really happening like that, with delaying the control pad, or, like fighter stick. Well, what? Sony's FlexStrike PS5 fight stick delayed indefinitely. Now launches after Marvel Tokon. FlexStrike PlayStation official fight stick peripheral has been delayed indefinitely. In an update to a PS blog post on the upcoming hardware, Sony confirms that the fight stick will no longer launch on the 6th of August. Crucially, the same day as Marvel Tokon Fighting Souls, due to unexpected production delays. FlexStrike wireless fight stick will launch at a later date. The blog post now reads, "We will share an update soon." It makes me wonder what the hell is going on. Why? I think it could be the backlash. Because I think they may be like, yo, like, they're like serious. Like, I think that the fact that people are already boycotting them, I don't think fight sticks, I think, are an enthusiast thing. And the enthusiasts are angry at them. So they may not sell many of these fight sticks, and they are waiting for a time to when the enthusiasts will be happy to buy a fight stick from them. Because if they buy a fight stick, it ain't going to be from you, Sony. This is interesting. There is no new date for the release of FlexStrike, so we'll just have to wait and see how much further down the line the controller takes to make its arrival. Sony explains more about the delay. Quote, "We're working to ensure we deliver the best possible experience to our players with FlexStrike. So we're taking the extra time to put the finishing touches on the project. We apologize for this delay and look forward to bringing the FlexStrike experience to the community when it launches. We're sorry." It sounds like those who have pre-ordered FlexStrike will still get one and will receive updates on when exactly the product will ship via their chosen retailer. It's a shame the peripheral isn't making it out on time for the release of Marvel Tokon, but hopefully it will be worth the extended wait when it launches in the future. Are you planning on picking up a FlexStrike fight stick? Yeah, let's ask that question. I'm going to ask that question in a poll. Make sure you go to my community page to check it out. I'm going to post that right now. And guess what? I forgot to check back on the poll for the last one that I did. So look, this is what I asked, and it's already at 2K votes. Remember, political polls to test the temperature of the country. The entire country of hundreds of millions usually are a couple of thousand of people that they poll for that, all right? 2,000 votes already. I asked the question, is Sony and Xbox Project Helix, if Sony and Project Helix, oh my God, I can't talk. If Sony and Xbox Project Helix don't have games on discs, will you buy either of them? 3% said, yes, I'll buy both. 11% said, yes, I'll buy the PS6. 6% said, yes, I will buy the Project Helix. 80% said, no, I will not buy either. Very interesting. Let me put this into, see, are you planning on picking up a FlexStrike fight stick? From, no, that's I'm not, I'm gonna put Sony here so they know exactly what I'm talking about. A Sony FlexStrike fight stick. Let's see here. Pull. Yes. No. There we go. See how this is doing. All right. So tell me what you think. Do you think the backlash has anything to do with this delay? I think it could. 10 million subscribers.